Welcome to Fluent Flow Learning, where we teach English based on real life and strong foundations. Today we're talking about spoken reductions, and this is one of the biggest reasons learners say, I understand English in class, but not in real life. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when native speakers talk fast, everything sounds blended. That's because English is connected speech. Today, I'm going to clearly show you the full form, the natural spoken form, when to use it, and how to hear it correctly. First, I'll say the full form slowly. I want to go. Now I'll say it at a natural speed. I want to go. Notice the difference? The full form is want to. The natural spoken form is wanna. Now let's practice more examples. I want to eat. I want to eat. Do you want to try? Do you want to try? She does not want to leave. She doesn't want to leave. Here's an important rule. Wanna must be followed by a verb. It's incorrect to say, I want a coffee. But the correct way is, I want to get a coffee. Because wanna equals want to, and to must be followed by a verb. Now that you understand how one reduction works, let's look at another extremely common one. I am going to call you. I'm gonna call you. The full form, going to. In natural speech, gonna. Some more examples. We are going to leave soon. We're gonna leave soon. She is going to be late. She's gonna be late. Here's another important rule. Gonna must be followed by a verb. It's incorrect to say, I'm gonna the store, but it is correct to say, I'm going to the store, because here, to is a preposition, not part of a verb phrase. You might be noticing a pattern. These reductions usually happen before verbs. Let's continue. I have to go. I gotta go. Got to. Gotta. Some more examples. You have got to see this. You gotta see this. We have got to leave early. We gotta leave early. Now let's look at smaller but very common blend. Let me see. Let me see. Let me check. Let me check. Let me think. Let me think. Now I'm going to say sentences naturally. Then I'll repeat the full form. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I'm gonna call her. I am going to call her. I gotta leave. I have got to leave. Let me check. Let me check. Flow tip. Don't force reductions. First, learn to hear them, then understand the structure. Then allow them to happen naturally. Fluency is flexibility. Today we learned want to, wanna, going to, gonna, got to, gotta, let me, lemme. You heard the full form, you heard the natural spoken form, and you practiced both. Fast English is connected, not random. You're not bad at English, you just needed training and connected speech. You did really well today. Thank you for learning with Fluent Flow Learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thank you.